Manu Saxena joined STAD Solution for manual and automation software testing. Let's hear from her.
Hello everyone, myself Manu Saxena. I am from India. I had completed my graduation, that is BCA, from Dharmasingh Desai University in the year 2016, and post graduation, that is MSCIT from Charotar University of Science and Technology in the year 2018. Actually, currently I am working in the digital marketing field. So, for better scope, I decided to make a career in the software testing field because IT sector has a good potential and good growth according to the salary and career. So, I want to change my domain and want to add a new skill in my skill sets. So, I search manual testing institute in Google. There I come to see STAD solution, which I found a better option to start manual testing internship. Here I had learned how to test mobile app, game app and web app, and also I learned how to create test plan, test cases, test scenarios, bug report, BRD, FRD, and in theory I had learned levels of testing, types of testing, bug life cycle, software development life cycle and software testing life cycle. Faculties are very supportive and are always ready to answer for all the queries that we have during training and after the training period. Especially thanks to the Darpan sir who is very good at teaching, and thanks to the team of the STAD solution. I recommend STAD solution to everyone who wants to make a career in the software testing field. Thank you.